Water a precious resource. Class 7. Different types of water states. Gaseous form. The air, the air around us is an example of gaseous form of water. Liquid form, present in ocean, sea, and underground water. Solid form, ice caps and glaciers at poles. Water cycle. What is a water cycle? The continuous circulation of water in nature is called water cycle. Evaporation. The conservation of liquid to vapors is called evaporation. The condensation. The conversion of vapor to liquid is called condensation. Precipitation. The falling down of water from clouds is called precipitation. Transpiration. The loss of water through water vapor is called transpiration. Uses of water. The uses of water can broadly divide into agriculture use, domestic use, and industrial use. Agriculture use. Water is used for irrigating fields through canals, pipelines, and drip irrigations. Nearly 60% of Indian population depends on agriculture for their living and uses nearly 90% of water for irrigation. Domestic uses. Water is used for cooking, bathing, cleaning, etc. Water is supplied by municipality or the form of wells, bore wells. Industrial uses. Water is used in industries as a raw material, solvent, coolant, and for generating electricity. Solvent. Any substance that can dissolve in is called solvent. Coolant. A liquid that is used for cooling a machine. Sources of water. Precipitation in the form of rainfall or snow provides fresh water to our planet Earth. Most of fresh water returns to ocean through river flowing across the globe. The various sources of water can be divided into two main categories: surface water and underground water or subsoil water. Surface water. Water present on the surface of Earth is called surface water. It can be classified into three parts: rainwater, river and lake water, sea and ocean water. Rainwater. It is the most purest form of water, as the water from seas and rivers evaporates to form water vapor under the heat of the sun. It leaves behind all impurities. When precipitation occurs, the first star dissolve contain gases present in air and also brings suspended impurities with it. Rain and lake water. The water present in these water bodies are form of either rainfall or melting snow, glaciers on the mountains. Ocean and sea water. Ocean are huge store of water. Billion liters of water is present in them, but the water is salty and is not fit for any domestic or agriculture use. Underground water or subsoil water. Groundwater is the water under the ground where the soil is completely filled or saturated with water. Rainwater seeps through topsoil and layers of rocks like limestone, sand, and gravel and gets collected on the non porous layers of earth. The top level of this underground water is called water table. Underground water is also known as aquifer. Scarcity of water. Scarcity of water is defined as a situation where there is insufficient water to satisfy normal requirements. Though water is an renewable resource, the factor of water are increasing water, increasing industries, agriculture, deforestation. Water scarcity will result in insufficient plant growth, decreased food for production, and famine. Some causes of water scarcity. In India, some causes of water scarcity are uncontrolled use of bore wells technology for excreting underground water. Population also increases pollution of freshwater resources. No effective measure for water conservation. Effects of water scarcity on planets. You must have seen potted plants whittling and unlimitedly drying up if they did not get water even for few days. Plants need water to get nutrition from the soil to prepare their food. So just imagine consequences if water is not available to the plants. The effects of water scarcity on plants are stunt growth, decreased food production, and famine. Conservation of water. We can save water by avoiding wastage of water, repairing of leaking taps, water plants by drop of water, or water by which we wash vegetables. Presented by Avani. Nothing is softer or more flexible than water, yet nothing can resist it. Please save water.